Number 4 here asks us to evaluate each expression. It's hard to evaluate it unless you know the values of A, B, which we are actually given here. So let's just copy down the problem. And now let's make the substitution. We erased the A and it looks like A was equal to the number 2. So let's plug that in. So that is a 4 parentheses 2. The B is replaced with the number 6. Subtract 6. Parentheses 6 for the B again. Then the plus 5 parentheses 2. So notice this was what the A was, this was what the B, this was a B, and this was an A. Okay, those were all substituted and replaced. Now we can do the multiplication. 4 times 2 times 6. 4 times 2 is 8, times 6 it is 48. Minus 6 times 6 is 36. 5 times 2 it is 10. 48 minus 36 it is 12. Bring down the plus 10. 12 plus 10, that gets you 22. Good job here. Next, we have 3b divided by parentheses 2a minus 1 plus b. The b's are replaced with the number 6. And let me do that right here again. That gets you the number 6. And the A here gets replaced with the number 2. All right. 3 times 6, that gets you the number 18. Inside this parentheses, we have 2 times 2, which is 4. We minus 1 plus 6. The 4 minus 1 on the inside, that is a 3. Bring down the plus 6. So here we have 18. Divided by 3 plus 6, which is a 9. So 18 over 9. And that can simplify. 18 over 9. 9 goes into 18 2 times. 9 goes into 9 1 time. So 2 would be the final answer. Okay, there you go. And the last one. 3 parentheses b minus 2 divided by 4 parentheses a plus 1. The b gets replaced with the number 6. And the a gets replaced with the number 2. Okay. So on top, we have 3 parentheses 6 minus 2, which becomes 4. And on the bottom, we have 4 parentheses times 3. That's what the 2 plus 1 is. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is also 12. 12 over 12 can be simplified to just the number 1. Okay, and there you go. That is after you evaluate the expression.